Hello and welcome, I'm Alex and today I learn how to create drop-down list in Excel. Tips and tricks. Stay here and learn more about Excel. Okay, let's go. First step, prepare your data. Make sure your product name are listed in a single column. For example, column A. Under the header product, let's say your data start in cell A2. Step 2, create the drop-down list. Now go to the cell where you want to drop down, here in my case, and go to the data tab here, and click on data validation here and choose list. From allow, choose list. In the source field, click and select the range. Click here and select from A32. And okay, your dropdown is now linked to the dynamic range here. But I have a problem. In this dynamic dropdown, I have a blank cell. How to remove this blank cell? It's simple. Click the cell where you want, is your dropdown. Data validation. In the source field, click here and type dot character and okay. The blank cell disappeared. Our list is clean. Try adding a new product in the bottom of your list in column E. Here, product E, and enter. The dropdown will automatically include it and it won't show black cell and it won't show any blank cells. And that's it. The character dot is very useful in this situation. You now have a dynamic drop-down list in Excel that updates automatically and stay clean. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Excel tips.